A dog bites off a 6-year-old's ear. You want to learn what kind of damages are available? Come join me. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. Today's video comes to you from Sanibel Island, Florida. I'm on vacation with my family, and I want to share this quick information with you. Recently on Long Island in Port Washington, there was a 6-year-old boy who was attacked by a dog and had part of his ear chewed off. Now, why is that significant? Because I've been getting a lot of inquiries from people who want to know what type of damages or compensation are available in a case involving a dog bite. Well, using this particular example involving a child who suffered a dog bite and now suffered significant injury to his ear, here's what's available. The child is going to have the ability to obtain compensation from the pain from the date that the incident occurred for his pain and the suffering that he endured. He had to undergo surgery to try and reattach part of his ear, and from the news reports, they were not successful. As a result of that, the news reports indicate he's going to need surgery in the future, in fact, multiple surgeries. So, not only will the child be able to obtain compensation, assuming they can prove liability, from the time of the event up until the time of trial, but from the time of trial for the foreseeable future. The child may need additional surgeries, he may need additional treatment. There's also a component of cosmetic deformity. What type of injury is the child going to be left with as a result of undergoing multiple surgeries? Is the child going to need some type of prosthetic device, an implant that gets put onto or around the ear and need a cosmetic surgeon in order to do that? It's unknown, at least from the news reports, whether that's going to be needed. What other type of deformity will the child have? Is there going to be a functional impairment, a problem with the hearing, or is it simply cosmetic? And now the child is going to be impaired or suffered some type of ongoing future injury for which he may suffer humiliation as he grows up and goes through school age. Now, why do I tell you about this? I tell you about this because it just gives you an insight and an understanding into the type of damages or compensation the child may be entitled to, assuming they can prove that the owner of the dog was responsible and careless for this child's dog bite injury. Chances are you have questions or concerns about your particular matter. And if your matter happened in the state of New York, here's what I encourage you to do. Pick up the phone and call me. I answer legal questions like yours every single day, and I'd be happy to talk with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at lawmed10@yahoo.com. I'm Gerry Oginski coming to you today from Sanibel, Florida. Have a wonderful day.